Hello everyone, welcome back to EFIN. Today I'm going to show you how to trade. First off, when you click on this trade tab right here, it will ask you to log in using your Blast network account. If you don't have one, you can create one by clicking right here. Now, once you log in, you will see this screen right here. This is how you can trade using EFIN. On the right side, you can see all the trading pairs currently available in EFIN. More are added over time, so if you don't see your preferred currency here, chances are it will be added in the future. Here, you can select your base pair. What does that mean? EFIN uses base pairs as currencies to pay the blockchain fees and to pay the withdrawal fees. Now, there are two base pairs at the moment, which are TPAY and Bitcoin. In the All tab, you can see all of them and the Bitcoin ones at the bottom. Now, what can you do using these? Well, you can make an order to either buy or sell the respective currency, or you can take already existing orders, which will show right here in the order book. Now, you may ask, what do these mean? Well, the top ones, which are displayed in green, the top ones, which are displayed in red, are orders to be able to buy the first currency mentioned here using the second currency. The ones at the bottom, which will be green, are so that you can sell the first currency and receive the second currency. So, for example, for TPAY and Litecoin right here, the red orders are so you can buy Litecoin using TPAY. And the ones that would be right here are to buy TPAY using Litecoin. But at the moment, there are none. Let's say you want to make your own order. Well, for that, there are some prerequisites. First, you need to have deposited some currency of the base pair that you're using. For example, if you use TPAY as your base pair, you need to have some TPAY in your wallet for the transaction and blockchain fees. But let's say you have that already. How can you make an order? Well, let's say I want to make an order using Ethereum and TPAY. Let's say I want to buy Ethereum. Here you can select your price, which by default is the market price. So one Ethereum costs 400 TPAY. But let's say I want to make using 401 TPAY. And I want to buy one Ethereum. The total is calculated by multiplying the price by the amount. So if this would be 2, I would have to pay 802 TPAY. Now, you can also use the percentage buttons, which retract a percentage of your total TPAY so that this total reflects that percentage. So 25% out of 2,000 would be 502. This also takes into account the fees right here, so you don't have to do it manually. And you can use any of these buttons as you wish. Now, this is a bit too much. Let's say I want to buy just one Ethereum. I put it right here. I change the price to whatever I want. And I click buy Ethereum. As you can see, the order is already made right here. I can't take it, but I can see that it's mine by the green circle that appears next to it. It's also with the status waiting to be taken right here. And I can cancel it using this tiny red button. If I click it, I get the confirmation window, and clicking yes cancels my order. Now I can also sell Ethereum if I have some and get TPAY in exchange. Let's say I want some more TPAY for my Ethereum. Let's say I want 500 TPAY for one Ethereum. And I have 0.4, so I'll trade half of that, 0.2. Again, you can use these percentage buttons to input a percentage of your Ethereum in the amount field. So 25% would be 0.12, 50% would be 0.24, and so on. But again, I want to sell just 0.2. That's enough for now. Then I just click this button right here, sell Ethereum. As you can see, the order has been made in the red category. And again, it has the circle next to it indicating that it's mine. If I want to cancel it before it's taken, again, I can press this button right here and confirm. And as you can see, it disappeared and the funds have already returned to me. That's all you can do in this screen. You can trade using any of these pairs, any of these base pairs, and take any order. But I'm going to show that in the next video. Thanks for watching.